If you're a Powell homeowner wondering, did the market cool or are great sales still happening, this October numbers may surprise you. We just logged more homes sold than the past two Octobers, plus there was nearly $38 million in sales this month. Stay with me for a few minutes and I'll show you exactly what that means for your home's value and for buyers looking in Powell, Ohio. I'm Brian Comer with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, the American Realty Center, and your Powell Market Guide. I'll break down local Powell housing stats so you can make smart, confident decisions and understand how they may affect you, whether you're buying or selling. Let's jump in. First of all, I'll touch on the number of homes sold, the sales volume, the average sale price, the sale to list price ratio, the days on market, year-to-date sales for each of the last couple of years, and where homes are sold in relation to their list price. Oh, yes, and we can't forget to talk about the luxury market. I define that as homes at $1 million or more. Let's start with the number of homes sold. October, we saw 68 homes sell. Last year, 61. The year before, 53. Momentum matters, and October just beat the past 2 years. The sales volume in October was roughly $37.5 million in closed sales, slightly above what's typical for an average month in Powell of about $35 million. The average sold price, this one kind of threw me off a little bit. It was $552,000 for October, down from about $618,000 in September. If you have any idea why or what your thoughts are, please put them in the comments section below. The sale to list price, the average home sold for about 96% of its list price in October. We've typically been tracking right around 99%. Let's see how long things were on the market. Typical listings moved in about 26 days once I removed the few 100-day outliers. So, well-prepared homes are still moving. Powell's 2025 year-to-date sales count is up about 13% compared to 2024 and up slightly over 2023 by about 5%. In 2023, Powell saw 603 homes sell. 2024 had 558 homes sell, and we're sitting at 632 right now, year to date. That tells us the buying pool is real, qualified, and active. If you've been waiting to list until the right time, is there really ever a right time or wrong time? This data says there's still healthy demand in Powell. Let's talk about where homes are selling in relation to the listed price. 10 homes sold above the asking price, 15 sold, and you love this when I do that, right at the asking price, and 43 of them sold below asking. That's a healthy 64% of the homes sold. What's the translation? Pricing smart matters. If you start at the right number and present the home well, you can still capture offers at or above the list price. If you overshoot, buyers will make you wait and negotiate you down. Let's talk about the luxury segment. 4 Powell homes closed over $1 million in October. The most expensive was listed at $1.598 million and closed at $1.59 million, a slight discount. Luxury is very much active. Marketing quality, presentation, and agent strategy are the difference in this tier. And this is interesting. The homes in the luxury segment actually sold below the average days on market of 26. The average $1 million home sold in just more than 21 days. Now that we know the data, let's talk about what this means for sellers. Price to the market, not the wish. Your best leverage is the first 10 to 14 days on market. Presentation wins. Fresh paint, lighting updates, and a deep clean will help you sell at or above the list price. Expect about 3 to 4 weeks on the market when you've aligned on price and presentation. Make sure that you have a strong strategy that includes strong photography, videography, a targeted digital reach, and a clean timeline to keep buyers engaged and confident. With the average sale just about 96%, plan on some negotiation, but tighten it with excellent preparation and smart strategic pricing. All right, let's switch gears. Now that we know what this means for sellers, let's turn our attention to you buyers. Buyers, please be offer ready. Having your pre-approval and proof of funds, if necessary, lets you move on well-prepared listings that won't sit. Time is of the essence. Shop for the 96% window. Many homes are still a few points under ask. Use comps to calibrate, then strike quickly and decisively. Focus on value, not just price. A home that's clean, well-maintained, and well-located in Powell can save you money on repairs, utility, and maintenance that always seems to crop up at the wrong time. Watch for the days on market. Fresh listings, priced right, will move. Stale listings might have some room, but be strategic before asking for huge discounts. Consider asking for a seller-paid home warranty or closing costs in lieu of a big discount. All right, for sellers, October proved that buyer demand is still present and great homes are commanding strong offers. For buyers, the market is competitive but rational. You have leverage and can negotiate when you're prepared and decisive, and you can move quickly. If you're thinking about selling in Powell, I'll build you a custom pricing and preparation plan. No pressure, just data and strategy. If you're thinking about buying, I'd help you identify the homes that are most likely to sell at or near that 96% mark that I talked about before, and craft you a contract with terms and commitments that will win. I'm Brian Comer. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel for monthly Powell updates and other great timely content. Hit the like button and share this video. Scan the QR code below to schedule time with me or call 614-593-1972 to reach me directly. If you're selling or buying, better call Brian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.